This better not be disgusting. Oh, I love these.
Yeah?
It's a crumpet.
It is.
It's got what smells like Lyle's golden syrup on it.
Ish, yeah.
Is it not?
Pretty much. It's maple syrup and coconut oil, and you fry a crumpet in it. There's a book called Mezcla by a woman called Easter Belfridge. I hope I've got her name right. But essentially, she made a crumpet into a dessert. So I think she baked hers, and I decided to fry it one day. And I topped it with like some plant-based yogurt. That and berries with this works like as a dessert without being a dessert.
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
Yeah.
I'm buzzing to have this.
Right.
I love crumpets so
I'm
much.
hoping. Oh, hello, it's a bit sticky.
I normally have them with evil honey.
Evil honey.
Well, you know,
Isn't
it bad for bees to be slaves?
Yeah,
They should
true.
just, what's your views on that?
Well, I did. What's my views on honey?
Don't they exploit the queen bee or whatever?
Yeah, no, apparently they staple the wings and you find that out years later. Yeah,
no.
it's mad, yeah. Right, cheers.
Maybe I shouldn't have asked that.
No, don't worry.
I don't want us to touch crumpets.
No, it's fine. We can have a little thing.
When did you first make this? When you read about that woman making it?
Like last year. And I made it on a whim. I think it was at Christmas time.
You know how you could make it at Christmas? Add some spices to the syrup.
Well, I thought about carrying this on and just keep making sweet crumpets. But I don't want to be known as like the sweet crumpet man. Do you get what I mean? And also,
that would be awful.
It
What
would
a
be
legacy.
awful. I imagine.
No, it'd be great.
All my career has just led up to being the sweet crumpet man.
Since this show is all about combos, I've got some very important questions to ask you.
Okay.
But I need you to give me just quick fire answers. Try not to think about it. Outside of food, what's your favourite combination of adjacent countries?
Oh. Spain and Italy. They technically border, do they?
Good one.
Do they?
Do they? Spain and Italy don't border each other as countries at all.
Great. I know everything about the world.
Put your metal hat back on.
All right, go on.
Favourite combo of vibes?
Vibes.
I don't even know what vibes are.
What does that mean?
Are you not Gen Z?
Yeah, I am Gen Z, but it's like our favourite combo of vibes. Like,
I thought you would answer it immediately.
yeah, vibes. Right. Favourite combo of vibes. I would say good music and a walk.
That's
Vibe.
so middle-aged
It's
for
so
one
middle.
so young.
I like long walks on the beach. Like, if I had a dating profile, it'd be like a 45-year-old of like.
You don't have a dating profile?
I don't know.
What's your combos?
What's my what?
I'm going to ask... Sorry, I did that with my mouth full.
That's
it was very
fine.
rude. I'm going to ask you your least favourite combinations of actors in a film.
Oh, as in like two actors that shouldn't work together.
Yeah.
Do you know what? And I'm glad they stopped this. Bradley Cooper and Jennifer Lawrence.
Oh, that's so good.
They were good. They were good in Silver Linings Playbook. But then, I don't know if you found it, like, it just kept going and going and going. Like, there were like 4 different films with them together.
I couldn't... Oh, I thought you meant Silver Linings Playbook because I had to turn
You didn't
that
like
off.
it? Yeah.
Yeah,
but,
it
like,
felt too low.
It was good, but like, I felt like that was like keep that to what it is. Like, don't keep that going. I would say those two. Those two for me. No offense to them. They're pretty great people. Like,
Least favourite combination of vibes.
of vibes. Vibes. Let's go for when you see something funny, but then you don't have your phone out in time to record it. So you just end up with this late video of like the aftermath of what just happened.
Yes!
Like if someone's fallen over, I've got food in my mouth. But
No, I know what you mean. I was getting the train from Catford to London Bridge, and a woman got on with a buggy filled with poodles, and I was laughing so much I forgot to film, and then she went mental at me.
well,
that.
I got back from holiday and I got rudely reminded of why of me living in London, because I went into my local Sainsbury's and I walked in, and then I thought all was fine. I had headphones on. Out of nowhere is this man with a backpack, top off, just socks, pants, running and spilling everything all over the aisles. And I was
dear.
like, and like it shook me because I'm just listening to like probably Harry Styles or something, and then like I'm like, what the f***'s going on here? Like,
Which Harry Styles song?
oh, is that a question or are you just asking?
I was just asking. No, I read that your dream person to cook for is Harry Styles.
Yeah, correct.
What would you cook him? Would you cook him anything from this new recipe book?
Oh yeah.
And why?
I'd cook the red pepper pasta, and I'd probably cook the butter tofu curry. It's called butter, quote unquote, chicken, but not actually chicken.
Is he veggie or vegan?
I don't think
feel
he eats meat. I think he's actually.
That was what I was thinking.
I think he's like on our side. He's actually like he's flying the flag for everyone apart from the vegans. But yeah, if he could, like, I don't know, like, I think it'd be funny. Like, do you get what I mean? Like, you think about things, you're like, oh, wouldn't it be funny if that happened? But
would you not be stressed? Well,
this is the thing.
I've not heard that he's a diva, so I was gonna say, would you be stressed cooking for him?
Oh, do you know what? I probably wouldn't. I'd probably be all right, because I think you get that first onset nerves, but then also, like, if it's meant to be, like, you're meant to be there. Do you get what I mean? So when you go, it's like you doing, it's like you doing stand up, and like you're doing, like, I don't know, Apollo, or like you're doing.
Or if you have a famous person that you look up to come to your gig.
Yeah.
I think you've got to think, well, they want to be here,
exactly.
so don't disappoint them.
Yeah, they've paid the money to be there, but they know what you are as well.
Yeah.
So it kind of like works out.
It could happen.
It could happen.
Oh,
go on.
When I was researching you outside of your Instagram, I came across a Calum Harris. He's on Apple Music and Spotify.
Is it?
Yeah, I need to check if it's the same person.
I don't know if it's the same person.
Well, do you remember making any music?
Not to the best of my knowledge, no. No.
No?
I don't think that's me. That's me when the milk powder's in my food. Just like... Dude, oi, do you know what?
Sorry, what did you ask you when the milk powder's in your food?
Yeah, that's me, my reaction. But like in a matter, like, just one Google away is like this like bloke with a vegan cookbook, and then turned to like death metal heavy, like
listen,
internet's mad. Is there another Fern Brady about?
Yeah, she writes erotic fiction in Texas, and she's caused me serious problems.
It's not too far off. Like.
Oh no, man, she's caused me so many issues when my own book came out.
Oh, really?
And I kept getting invited to Texas Fern Brady's meetings.
Is that why your Instagram's Fern Brady from Southgate?
From Bathgate. No,
sorry.
It's because people always think I'm from Glasgow, and I'm like, how dare you? Look at all
I
my
thought that was
teeth.
that might have been more fitting for the Texas thing. They'll be like, just some American going, is that the real Fern Brady?
No.
Oh, no. Seems to be the Bathgate one. We can't be doing that.
Genuinely, like, other Fern Brady bugs me so much. She only causes me problems. I hope I never bump into her.
Is she like an older woman? Or?
I'd say so. I'm
just thinking of the logistics of a fight here. Like, could Fern Brady have Fern Brady in a scrap?
Yes. Can I just say,
yes.
I've been presented with a lot of disgusting food on this show, and I'm so happy with what you give me. It was like a nice spin on something I normally eat at home. And I've already invented a Christmas version in my head, so I'm going to give this 5 crumpets out of 5. Thank you.